Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Get ready to transform your sweet potatoes into a delicious, healthy side dish or snack. The air fryer is truly the quickest, easiest way to achieve that perfect balance. You'll get a wonderfully crispy outside and a super fluffy, tender inside, all with just a tiny bit of oil. It's truly a game changer for weeknight meals or whenever you crave something wholesome and satisfying. First things first, grab your sweet potatoes and give them a good wash to clean off any dirt. You can decide whether to peel them for a smoother feel or keep the skin on for more nutrients and a lovely rustic look. The key here is to cut them into uniform pieces, like 1-inch cubes or classic fries, ensuring everything cooks evenly and perfectly every time. Now for the flavor magic. Drizzle your prepared sweet potatoes with just 1 or 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like avocado or olive. Then, sprinkle them generously with some salt, freshly ground black pepper, and feel free to add other spices, maybe paprika or garlic powder. Make sure to toss everything really well, so every single piece is beautifully coated for that perfect taste and texture. It's time to cook. First, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Then, arrange your seasoned sweet potatoes in a single layer in the basket, making sure not to overcrowd them so the air can circulate freely. Cook for around 15 to 20 minutes, giving the basket a good shake halfway through to ensure all sides get wonderfully golden brown and crispy. Once your sweet potatoes are fork tender and have a beautiful golden brown color, they are absolutely ready to enjoy. Carefully remove them from the air fryer and serve immediately as a fantastic side dish with any meal or even as a wholesome, satisfying snack. Savor the delightful sweet and savory flavor, plus that incredible crispy tender texture you've effortlessly achieved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.